Today, I'm going to teach you how to select multiple objects in Affinity Designer. This is a fundamental skill that will save you tons of time when working with complex designs, allowing you to move, resize, or modify several elements at once instead of handling them individually. First, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the program opens, you can either open an existing file or create a new one to work with. This gives you the workspace where you'll be practicing your selection techniques. Now look over to the left sidebar where you'll find your main tools. Click on the Move tool, which is typically one of the first icons at the top of the toolbar. This tool is essential for selecting and manipulating objects on your canvas. Once you've activated the Move tool, you're ready to start selecting multiple objects. Here's where the magic happens. Position your cursor near the objects you want to select, then click and drag to create a marquee box around them. Think of this like drawing an invisible rectangle that captures everything inside it. As you drag, you'll see a selection box appear on your canvas. Make sure this box encompasses all the objects you want to work with. When you're satisfied with your selection area, release your mouse button. All the objects that were enclosed within that marquee box will now be selected simultaneously. To confirm that your selection worked, shift your attention to the right panel. Here you'll see all the layers you just selected highlighted in the Layers panel. This visual confirmation is really helpful because it shows you exactly which elements are now active and ready to be modified. You can now move these objects together, apply effects to them as a group, or make any other adjustments you need. And that's it. You've successfully selected multiple objects in Affinity Designer using the marquee selection method. This technique is incredibly useful when organizing your designs or making bulk changes to your artwork. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.